Morning folks, Peter again, Friday. I'm quite excited today because we've got this Mach exhibition in NEC Birmingham next week. And to me, it makes me feel better that the world is getting going again. We all know about the bad news, but the Mach exhibition is all good news. And I'd dearly love to see all my old friends. I really would. It makes me feel better at 85 to see my old friends just to natter about anything, including women if you like. I don't mind that. But seriously, the world is getting going again, and Mach is the proof of that. So, but like everything else, we've all got to make an effort, and like I keep saying, working together. Now this will make you smile. I remember after the last war, we all worked together. It's a fact of life. I know it's not that easy, but I always believe we can work together and make life better. Anyway, anybody who's coming, come and see me and have a joke. And I don't mind what you're talking about. At 85, you know what I mean. All right, folks. Bless you all. Take care. Goodbye.